Hi everyone, here's the last power tune of 2025 for the Powers Music School Irish Music Learner Session for all ages on Thursday nights, third Thursday of the month. And this one is the second in a set of 3 polkas. We'll be doing the final and first one next month. And if you want to learn the third one, go to November's. This is the Curragh Races, and I'm going to play it slowly and then quickly, and it's an E modal minor E tune. So those are always fun. Here we go.